In this video, I will show you how to mute hashtags on Twitter. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe or click the follow button to be updated with our latest upload. This can be a great way to clean up your feed and avoid seeing content that you're not interested in. To do it, open the Twitter or X app. Now tap on your profile at the upper left. Tap Settings and Privacy. Then tap Privacy and Safety. Next, click Mute and Block. Tap Muted Words. Now in here, tap the plus icon in the bottom right corner. Type in the hashtag you want to mute. Now you can choose to mute the hashtag from your timeline, notifications, or both. Below under Duration, set for how long you want to mute these words or hashtags. For me, I set it to forever. Finally, don't forget to click Save. If you want to unmute a hashtag, just follow the process again and remove that hashtag. I hope this video is helpful. For more how-to tutorials, please subscribe or click other videos to keep on watching.